Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's the lecture number 35 of our basic to advanced Go High Level training. So our topic is we are going to discuss is GoKollab overview. GoKollab is a marketplace inside of Go High Level where we can create our communities, and to GoKollab Marketplace where we have multiple communities and multiple audience, and we can promote our communities. For example, you have course related digital marketing, so you can create your own community and pull it. In our previous lectures we have discussed about all the community system, how we can create community in Go High Level, how we can invite people, and how we can automate all the things. If your community is ready and then you can pull your community into marketplace and you can ask your audience to join, and even GoKollab Marketplace is promote your community on behalf of you, and you will get more customer and more visitor and even more audience as well for your business. So I will going to explain all key features of how it's work and how we can make money from it. So for example, it's a marketplace for visibility to visible to your client, customer, audience, whatever you want to promote. You want to promote your courses, your digital product, webinars, your specific classes on specific topics, so you can promote your all things here. Customizable group pages, you can create your own customizable group pages, and then you can add inside in a GoKollab, and different audience can join different. For example, you have two courses, one is a digital marketing, one is a web design course. In a one market community you can create two group, one is one for digital marketing and one for a web design course. So you can do all customization in a just one community, and with the private and public groups as well. Seamless integrations, you can integrate with the automations, emails, SMS, whatever you want to. For example, someone submit join your community, you can simply go and automate your SMS and say, hey, congratulations to joining this. These all things will be automatically happen. I will show you in a while. Community engagement tools, it's engagement tools for different audience, for different prospects, and for different things that you're going to promote. Scale and analytics, scalability and analytics. Yes, you can scale your business from $1,001 to 2,000, 5,000. Even some people are making 20 and 5,000 and $50,000 per month from this community section of Go High Level. And how to start to make community, it's a super easy. Activations, group creations, I have show you in previous video how you can create your group, how to customize. Even I can show you how to promote it in the next few lectures. I will teach you how to run Google ad and Facebook ad, and I will also show you how you can engage your more customer and more clients about all these community. So let's dive in Go High Level, and I will show you step by step how you can do this. So first of all, I'm going to log in our test account that I have created for our teaching our course purpose. So here I just log in my test account, and simply I just go to the GoKollab Marketplace. Right now here we have GoKollab Marketplace, and you can see here we have different communities. For example, make money online, this guy have 5k plus 500k plus members, and this guy have Jason Wardrep 1 lakh plus. And here is the communities. People have tons of members in their communities, so it's a super easy. You can list your community here in just few clicks. So I will show you how you can list them, and it's a super easy. You remember in the previous lectures I have discussed about the course, and I have make one course and make community for our course as well. I am just going to add this community to our GoKollab Marketplace. I just simply select and just say confirm, and confirm this, and go groups or activate right now. And then what we can do, we can simply add it to our marketplace, and it's just in a few clicks. Yeah, you see our select group has been made discoverable. So it's in a GoKollab Marketplace, and it's a discoverable. So how you can check this, you need to just copy your marketplace here and simply say test course. It will take some time, but after some time it will be appear here, and then your community is discoverable here. People can join here, people can collab here, people can do all things that we have discussed in few seconds ago. And in the next video I will show you how it look in your how this community look in a GoKollab Marketplace, and how you can use them from GoKollab Marketplace, and how you can promote them. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you need any Go High Level services or any confusion, just simply go to the leadsflex.com and book your free consultation. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you how you can utilize them, GoKollab Marketplace communities and course, how you can create courses as well. I will guide you each and everything from here. Thank you so much for watching this video.